The evacuation orders still in place for many parts of the Kern River Valley. Those who ignored evacuation orders staying to protect their homes, and those who ignored roadblocks, they are all now finding themselves stuck tonight. 23 ABC's Cassie Carlisle joins us now with how those people are surviving and why firefighters are urging people to follow evacuation orders. Cassie?
Yes, Jackie, I'm out here in Squirrel Valley. You can actually hear one of the water-dropping helicopters flying above me right now. And in this neighborhood, you can see how close the fire got to some of these homes. You can see the scorched earth all the way up to the driveway, even getting some of the things on the driveway, like the lawnmower behind me. Now you can see the wind is picking up a little bit around here, blowing ash and soot all over the place. It actually makes your throat hurt a little bit and your eyes burn a little bit. And that's just one of the reasons why law enforcement and fire officials do not want anyone up in this neighborhood. But the owner of this home said it was worth it to get past the roadblocks and to find out the fate of her home.
Being down there at Mount Mesa looking at it was like straight up out of hell.
The Erskine fire was fast and devastating.
This is going to go down as the most destructive wildland fire in Kern County's history,
leaving residents' minds racing.
Do I have a home? Do I start all over? Am I going to be saved? Am I going to be spared? Do I have part of a home? What do I have?
Teresa Ross lived in this home for more than 2 decades and was relieved to see her home was still standing.
Look at this. This is, that's incredible.
Cars parked in her backyard now look like something out of a horror movie set. Burned ground outlines her property, and she says it feels like her boundary as well.
No power, no cell service. The water, they're saying, is still not drinkable.
She's worried if she leaves, she won't be able to get back to her home as officials try to keep people safe.
These chemicals that sometimes we store and keep in our garages for a long time have now been exposed, perhaps mixed. Their chemical nature has changed.
But that's not the only thing Ross is concerned about.
It's been hard sleeping.
Really?
Yeah, because I'm constantly smelling smoke. I hear the crunchy sounds, and I get panicky, and it's like, okay, I think we're okay, I think we're okay, I think we're okay.
While Ross is worried about another fire, she's focused on how she can help her neighbors rebuild. And for residents who want to know when they can get back into their homes and what services are being provided for them, a call center has been set up. You can call the number 661-873-2660, and that will have more information in the coming days. Live in Squirrel Valley, Cassie Carlisle, 23 ABC.